How to design Acuity website on Canva. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design your Acuity website using Canva. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is if you have an Acuity website on Acuity Scheduling is a platform that allows you to create appointment booking website. So you have a website on Acuity and you want to customize the appearance. So if I take you to customize appearance right here, you will be able to see that we have different appearance settings here, and we will be able to customize the appearance of our website. So here comes the struggle, how to do that, how we can actually create a good looking appointment website where we have different images, where we have a logo. So you can see here we need to upload a logo, and then we have some scheduling instructions. That's what I create with Canva. So let's get to our Canva and get started with the work. First of all, I'm going to go right here and we're going to search for a website layout so that I can create the pages. Or you can simply go to the customize size here and you will be able to select the size. Here we have some of the templates available, but I'm going to start from the scratch, or we can select this one and then we can select the pages. So here we have our blank page for a website. So first of all, I actually have a hair and makeup website, and I want people to actually check out my instructions from here. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to actually upload like a banner. I'm going to upload a banner for my business first. We can also go for a template here, or what I can do is I can simply start something from the scratch. So that's what I'm going to do. First of all, we're going to change the color. So I'm going to change it to pink, and then we're going to make it a little bit lighter like this, because this is our like color for all of our products and on our website. There you go. Now I'm going to go to the elements here, and we can also upload the images from our computer, and we can remove the background to add the image here. So we have added the image here, and I'm going to make it a bit smaller and place it here. So I'm going to go to the text section here and add a heading. So we can add the heading of our business here, because on Acuity we will be getting like a simple calendar view. So this will allow me to enhance the appearance of my Acuity website. So I'm going to just add the name for our brand. So I have added the name here, and I'm going to actually take it down here. Perfect. So we will of course customize the text now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it here, and we will now change the, letter spacing, line spacing a little bit, and then I'm going to change the font. So I have changed the font now, and you can see this is what it looks like. I added the image too, and then we went to this element section, and then I added this line here, and then I added the word book now. So this is going to be like the first image that will be shown on my booking page. So this looks really good now, right? So I'm going to add another page now. This is actually our different deals that have been going on, and I want people to know that what are the different types of, we can create an event on our Acuity scheduling. We can add a session. That's what they will book, but there should be an image on the website that actually shows that what they are booking, what are the different deals that are available on our salon. So that's what I'm going to create now. For that, I'm going to again go to this shape here, and we can actually go with the other one actually. So I'm going to get rid of this one. Let's go with this one right here, and I'm going to make this a little bigger like this. We're going to adjust the size and place it here. We have two of the deals going on right now, so I'm going to add two of these like so. There you go, and I will place it here. Now let's make it a little bit lighter. So I'm going to go to the transparent section here, and I will make it a little bit transparent, this one as well. Now we're going to go to the text here, and I'm going to add the text. So I have added the text here in these boxes, and then we're going to go to the elements here, and I added some decoratives into it. We added some graphics. So these are the two pages that I want to add to my website. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on share, and we're going to download these pages, and make sure to actually download these pages separately so that we can add it to on our website and we can upload these separately. So I'm going to click on share, and we're going to download. How to download the pages separately? Well, you can go to the share option here, and then you can click on download. And once you click on download, you will see all pages. So you're not going to select all, but you're going to select the first page and then you're going to select the second page separately and download them. So once these pages are downloaded, you can see they're done. I'm going to actually finish my work on Canva, and then we'll move on to Acuity. There's one more thing that I need to create on Canva for my Acuity website, and that is the logo. Because we saw on Acuity, we have this logo section, choose a file. So I create my logo with Canva. Let's create a logo. Let's go to the home page, and we're gonna now select the logo from here. There it is. Let's create a new logo. So here we have our canvas. We're gonna change the background color first, and I'm gonna select this color, and we'll choose the color of our brand. So this is the color of our, website right here. So I'm going to select it. Then we're going to go to the text here, and I'm going to add the text because my logo actually contains a text and I want to create such logos. So we're going to go with that like this. Now we're going to go to the fonts, and we're going to select the same font that we have right here. You can always check. So we have this one. There you go. Now it will be added here, and I'm going to make it a little bigger. Similarly, I'm going to go to the elements now, and we're just going to add one element to the logo, and that's going to be this rainbow. So this is our logo, and now we're going to click on share. You will create your logo. Of course, whatever booking website you are creating, you will create the logo. So once I'm done here, my everything is downloaded. You can see we have a logo ready. We have website designs too. Now we're going to go to our Acuity, and here I'm going to click on choose file. This is the logo section. Here, I'm going to upload the logo that we just created, and you will be able to see the logo has been added here. You can see now it has a PNG. Similarly, we have the scheduling instructions. So this is where we will upload the images. You can see we have insert image option. Click on choose file. So the first, we're going to select the first page that we had, this one, and it will be added right here. You can see this is what it looks like. Now, because it's a description, so what we're going to do is we're going to add some space. And now I will click on the insert image option again, click on choose file. And this time I will select my second page, and it will be added right here. This is what it looks like. You can see. So now I have a logo added, and then we have this website here. I have my main page, and I also have my deals. This is how you can also add images to your website so that you can increase the appearance of your website. Instead of just writing the text in the instructions, you will be able to upload your banner images. You will be able to upload different deals that you have, different appointments. And then, of course, in appearance, we have our week starts in, and then we have the simple format to choose from our website. But when it comes to appearance, this is what we got. We can also customize the appearance on the Acuity. We will be able to change the text color, the schedule, the button color. So I'm going to change the button color as well and make it pink because that's what the main website has. You can see this is how I create and design a Acuity website with Canva. It's really easy. You can use the free tools on Canva to create a free website as well. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. And now you know how to design an Acuity website on Canva. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.